In this video, we'll show you another example of someone hesitating at a green arrow. In this particular case, we are in a left turn lane in the middle of a highway, waiting for our left turn signal to come on. It's a dark, rainy day, and resolution is not the greatest on this footage, but you'll just have to take my word that this sign here, and we can clearly see this in the car, says left turn signal. So we're waiting here, and we'll be waiting here for a bit of time because obviously the light changes less frequently on the highway. But here we go. This light just went to yellow and red for the through traffic, and this person is getting their advance left turn signal, or sorry, their protected left turn signal, and then this light changed green. So for whatever reason, the light did not give us a left turn signal at the time, but there we go. Now we just got ours, and we got ours on minute 54 seconds into the video. And let's see how long it takes for us to get going. So there we go. We are 6 seconds into this left turn signal green arrow, and now it's gone to yellow arrow, and we still haven't made a turn, right? So reaction time of 6 seconds is a little bit slow. I'm not sure. I think at the time the student might have thought that they need to yield to the oncoming traffic. It's very unlikely, I shouldn't say it's impossible, but it's less likely that you're just gonna have to make a left turn on a highway with a regular light where you go into the waiting position. Most times, if you got this kind of intersection on the highway, you're gonna have a dedicated turn lane, and then they're going to give you a left turn signal. How do I know it's a left turn signal? Because it says on the sign left turn signal. So when I get a left turn signal arrow, green arrow, that means that once I've scanned the intersection, once I know, no one's blatantly doing anything crazy or running a red light, it's time for me to clear the intersection. So we can see that pretty much only we made it through on this light, right? And so now we're at minute 104, and we just almost finished our turn here, and you can see it just went to red there. So that was a bit slow, and I showed you another footage where the student takes a while to go at an advance green arrow. This is a left turn green arrow, but same concept, right? I need to be paying attention, so as soon as I get that green arrow, I check, right? I don't just go, but I check and I get going on my way, because this additional hesitation is not only going to eat up more time at the intersection, but it could be the case where now we're making the turn when we're not really supposed to be making the turn. If we wait too late and then decide to then enter the intersection on a yellow. So stay present when you're in these left turn lanes, so that once you get that green arrow, you're good to go. You can kind of, and this is what I encourage you to do, is when you're sitting at these lights and you're facing a red light with like a left turn signal with a red light, glance over and see when is the other people's lights changing, right? Is it going from green to yellow to red? And that will possibly give you an indication of, okay, if some of these lights change, somebody else's light might be changing next or will be changing next. It doesn't always mean that when the cross traffic light goes to red, you are next to get an advance arrow. It again depends on when you arrive at the intersection. It also depends on how they have structured the timing of those lights at that intersection. But it's better than not paying attention to anything and just be like, any second now you might change, right? Stay active in terms of your scanning, so that when you get that green arrow, I'm checking, it's clear, I'm on my way. So I hope you learned something in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.